कुछ दिल तो बसो मेरी
Humaira Channa. Humaira Channa is one of the famous and popular singers of Pakistan who gained a lot of recognition in the country and abroad due to her charming voice and excellent artistic skills. She was born on 22nd June 1970 in Hyderabad, Sindh. Her connection with music ran in her family, as her mother Lucky Naz was also a famous and popular singer of her time. Humaira Channa received her basic training in music from Ustad Bashir Ahmed Khan and renowned musician Nisar Bajmi. From an early age, the sweetness and melody in her voice made her unique from other artists. Over time, she established herself as one of the leading playback singers of Pakistan. She sang thousands of songs, ghazals and poems in Sindhi, Urdu, Punjabi and Seraiki languages, which gained great popularity among the public. It is said that the beauty of her voice bears a strong resemblance to the voices of famous singers of the subcontinent, Lata Mangeshkar and Runa Laila. Humaira Channa did not limit herself to audio albums, but also sang many memorable songs for the Pakistani film industry. Her songs in Sindhi, Urdu and Punjabi films gave her a prominent place in the field of playback singing. Several of her music albums, CDs and audio cassettes were released, which were very popular among music lovers. She also performed in music programs of various TV channels, including Radio Pakistan and Pakistan Television. Her Sufi, romantic, folk and film songs were very well received. Humaira Channa has also received many honors and awards from the Pakistan film industry and other cultural institutions in recognition of her excellent artistic services. She not only gained fame as a successful singer, but also played her role in guiding the new generation of music. She has also participated as a judge in music competitions and talent shows on Sindhi TV and other Sindhi channels. Humaira Channa is still counted among those artists in Pakistan who have established a unique and timeless identity in the world of music through their voice and art.